Hello guys, in today's video we're gonna talk about Squarespace, how to create and customize a website on Squarespace for electronics business. Isn't quick. So first type Squarespace on the search. Sorry. So as we know, Squarespace is a website building tool that makes it easy for anyone to create their own websites without needing to know how to code. It offers templates and tools to help you design and customize your site. So first of all, let's enter the website. So here you can get started from here, and you can see templates if you want. For example, let's go on templates. Here you can make any template yours with ease. So wait a few seconds. So here you can choose what your site is about. So here you can choose something from here. For example, let's say here electronics. Next, now what are your job goals? Sell online courses, sell services, send invoices, sell memberships, sell products. So like this, you can choose whatever you want. How would you like to get started? So for example, let's go with this. Finish. So here you can customize more. You can here change the type. So that's it. So from here you can choose any template you want or any theme. You can build your own template. For example, let's get started and let's go. So get your site name. Type any name you want for electronics business. So here you can build your home page. Choose any section you want from here or any theme. For example, this surface section, this about section, social section. Choose one of these, and the forms section, and also the footer section, the last section, and click next. Now you can choose a color, the color theme. I'm gonna make this. Choose the font, and let's finish this. Let's go. So here you can describe your new site more. For example, electronics store. You can describe more. This is just for example, electronics store. Choose a writing style, professional. Now wait a few seconds to build in this store or your website. So here, if you want to edit your website, click here, for example. So now you can add a section. So click here. So you can add any section you want. Testimonials, for example. You can add images. If you want to add something here, you can add the text, or you can add the video or image. For example, you can add image here from library. So electronics, select here, or type here electronics. Let's go to the free image, electronics. So for example, you can choose one of these. I'm gonna choose this. So here you can put it here at any place, and you can design it. You can customize it here. So you can edit it. You can add a link on it. Here you can add the text. You can here design the design here, the shape. Here you can also turn it like an overlay or like a light box. So that's it. I'm gonna just keep it normal. So you can set it at any place you want. This is just for example. So now let's move on. This is the testimonials. You can edit this section here. So here you can edit the row count. You can edit here the gap. You can make it like can edit it here. Here you can edit the section, the fill screen. You can edit the height, the alignment, and also you can turn this on, draw reader. So that's it. Now let's move on to the next. So here, this is the text. You can drag it at any place. Just hold on it like this. Hold on it like this, and you can put it at any place. If you want to save the section, just click here and you can save it. You can move it up or move it down. You can duplicate this section from here. You can remove it. So that's it. Here the settings, the contact or the payment settings or wherever. So here you can change this. You can change the text here. You can change the form of the text. So that's it. Here also you can change it. The label, you can change the label here. The color of the label. So you can change the text on it. So that's it. That's how to customize your store. So after this, just you can publish it. You can just save this and you can publish it. Your page, your home page now is published. Now just launch your online store, and that's it for today. That's how to customize your store on Squarespace for electronics business. Easy and quick. So that's it for today. If you like this video, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe. I hope this video is helpful for you. Thanks for watching till the end, and see you in the next video.